prototype. It was a proof of concept of Pixel Ripped. Basically, it was my final project at National Film and Television School. It's a student project, and we got selected to be showing that. That's the demo, which is in the competition for Indicate. But now we are working for the releasable version. Now I have staff that joined the team, and we built the company. And this year we've basically been working in the Gear VR version to release in the end of the year. And now the game will be basically the episodes that you see in the demo. There's like years of this person's life, so 1978, 1984. Every episode is now going to be a whole game. We decided because of the size of a team and we just two people, we realized that we couldn't make the whole game as good as we want in time. Also, we had people asking more from the school level, and I want to do more when I was doing the project, but because it was a student project, I couldn't really make it the way I wanted to. So we're now working in Pixel Rip 1989, which will be the first game to be released. And that will be now 45 minutes long, and we have loads of things like more Easter eggs, the game will be longer, they will have loads of environments, and so yeah, we now concentrating on that, planning to release in the end of the year for Gear VR, optimizing from scratch, whole new project. So yeah, it's really exciting, and we are planning to next year release for Oculus and all the biggest headsets. Yeah, so we are doing a Kickstarter for Pixel Rip 1989. Pixel Rip 1989 will be based on that demo, but it will be a full experience. So imagine this is like now 5-10 minutes, it will be like 45 minutes, and there will be like, I can't spoil it too much, but there will be zombies, there will be loads of Easter eggs and loads of 80s, more 80s nostalgic stuff. There we are adding other things as well, other interactions, not just the speedball, and also the Game Boy, the game in the game. The arcade game will be longer. There will be like more stuff going on, like 3-4 levels. So yeah, it's really exciting. We're also gonna have the headmaster. You go to the headmaster room, and there's other things going on, crazy. Gonna be reference all the classics from the games, like from the 80s. So yeah, it's based on that demo, but it's gonna be like different. So we decided the big change we did this year. We've been through a lot of thoughts, and me and Steph decided that the best thing to do was to work in the game in a way that we could release for the end of the year, because we don't want to lose the boat for Gear VR when it comes out. So yeah, we have designed the other levels, because we started the year with this plan, let's make it the whole game. And then when we tried Gear VR, we were really excited. We didn't know the game was going to run on Gear VR, and we were like, oh my god, we need to make the game for the Gear VR. And that's when we changed it, but we started to actually, we have made stuff for the other levels. So 1978, it's almost done. And it was a tough decision, but I think we had to do this decision. But yeah, we had lots of stuff done for the other levels, and now there will be games now, and we know exactly what is going to happen, and we are planning that if it goes well, like Pixel Rip 1989, 1978, they go well, we are open to make more games. So it will be a trip for this person's life, so we can go even farther from 1999, which was supposed to be the last level. It doesn't need to be the last level anymore, the last game, so we can go beyond. It depends how the game goes, and if we can actually continue to do the game we love. The game now will be Pixel Rip 1989 will be more complete. So we will have more story, and the game you play, which is Pixel Ripped, that's the name of the game you play in the game. And we will also have more story about Nicola, which is the girl in the school. We're also gonna introduce more about her future boyfriend, because she's now 10, but we're gonna show a little bit more of her story, a little bit more about the game you play, and also we're introducing UI. We didn't have anything like pause the game, save it, like leaderboard. We're gonna have actually our complete game, and things I actually planned it. I want to do it before, but I couldn't as a student. We actually want to make it now, so it will feel like a complete game, more polished, no bugs. So yeah, the Gear VR version, it's already running in the Gear VR controller, the Wi-Fi one. I also have a Wi-Fi NES controller I got. we designing our whole new. We call it the Gear Go now. It's not the Game Go anymore because we can't just sell a game with a Game Boy. So we actually realized, no, let's design a whole portable game. So she has now a Gear Go. That's how it goes, and it's a little bit different design. But the buttons are in a position that fits better for the Xbox controller because we really want the game to be playable for anyone. You don't need to have a NES controller to play it. And yeah, for events, I like to bring it, because I think that's the perfect combination with the game you're playing. Simple, not many buttons. My dream world, I would actually have a controller and sell the controller with the game. That is my dream world. That would be perfect because we actually designed a Game Boy, a Game Go, which is the Gear Go, and it's actually designed now. There's a new design. It would be perfect if you could actually manufacture this in reality as well and sell this with the game. That would be perfect. That would be my dream, but maybe it's possible. So yeah, we thought that her story, she can go anywhere. Like we can even go further, as she's actually playing the game in a VR headset. Why not? And yeah, we are planning to have we want to reference moments in the video games history, and the consoles will change, and we can maybe go PC, we can maybe go further in this person's life. So that's the cool thing about Pixel Rip. We are open to go beyond. It all depends how the game goes now, because we are independent developers. Basically, we are a really small team. That's our team, it's 2 people. It's all here, the whole company. And we have freelancers and some people that love the project and support. So it all depends how good the game goes. And then that will basically change how far we can go with the game. We can go into VR, that would be great.